Hello students, how are you?
Fine, sir.
So students, today we conduct a singular to plural making activity. Are you ready for activity?
Yes, sir.
So we let start. I.
Ice.
Apple.
Apples.
Boat.
Boats.
Horse.
Horses.
Good. Monkey.
Monkeys.
Stick.
Sticks.
Ball.
Balls.
Balloon.
Balloons.
Book.
Books.
Girl.
Girls.
Duck.
Ducks.
Shoe.
Shoes.
Dog.
Dogs.
Umbrella.
Umbrellas.
S.
SS.
Bus.
Asset.
Box.
Boxes.
Dress.
Dresses.
Gas.
Witches.
Potato.
Potatoes.
Loss.
Losses.
Brush.
Dresses.
Bitch.
Bitches.
Fox.
Foxes.
Class.
Classes.
Let's clap for yourself.